Hi everyone, my name is Gwen. I'm the creator of this channel. Welcome! With me you can find cosmetic and cold process soap recipes and candle making process. Today I'm making a candle on the theme of the beach with the Coco Beach fragrance oil from Aromat'Easy. I'm always following the manufacturer advice for the temperature of my wax and my fragrance oil. I'm putting my wax to melt. During this time, I prepare my color, container, wick, deco and fragrance oil. When my wax is melted, I'm adding the color and mix well. I have to wait for my wax to cool down before adding my scent. When the time is come, I'm adding my fragrance oil, mix again for 2 minutes, then pour in my container. When the surface has hardened enough, I'll melt it again and place my decoration. I liked you with the video. You can find my recipe and links in the description box. If you want to see similar recipe, you can find what you're looking for in my previous videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. You can find me here on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok if you have any question for me. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.